Hi viewers, welcome to our channel RJ's Info. This video is about how to create invoice or bill for multiple product which has different types of tax slabs or GSTs. Once we select the product, automatically it calculates the value as well as GST. Before starting our video, please do subscribe for upcoming videos. Thank you. First, our requirement is based on category. We need to calculate the amount as well as GST. Based on product category, GST or tax slabs changing one product to another. Essential product, there is no tax at all. Some product have 5%, 12%, 18% and 28%. So 5 categories are there. Based on 5 categories, we need to calculate value as well as GST amount. First, create invoice or bill template based on requirement, starting with bill, then company address, whatever information about GST bill number, start with serial number, description, quantity, value, then amount. As it is, you just create it. Once this is done, our main part is we have to get data from here. Based on category, we need to know price as well as GST rate. Simply this is data source table for providing item, price, GST. So based on this only bill will be generated. For getting description, first select it, then data validation, click on list, then give source in price. Select from A2 till A21. Click OK. Now you can able to select. Next, to get price, need to use index match. Index, bracket open, click on price, select B2 till B21, freeze, comma, match, bracket open, lookup, C12, comma, then click on price, give range A2 till A21, freeze, comma, 0, bracket close, enter. So just to copy this formula to next cells. After that, again you either you can do manually or you can get it listing. For getting list, same process, select it, change this range, click OK. So you can able to select. For getting value, again the same process, index, click on price GST, B2 till B21, freeze, comma, match, bracket open, give reference of C12, comma, give reference A2, A21, freeze, comma, 0, enter. For getting total here, just type sum, then give range. This is total taxable value. We can able to generate two ways of generating GST amount. One is individual tax rate, another is consolidated tax rate. First we will see the individual. For that, use index match, index, then for getting GST, click on price, table, select C2 till C21, freeze, comma, match, C12, comma, select from A2, freeze, comma, 0 for exact match, bracket close, enter. So first product there is no tax. For second product, same way, just copy the formula to next. Only thing is reference is changed, C13. If I change the product, it should come some other code. It means it is okay. C14, use round, bracket, just copy. This is one method to get individual GST amounts. Total it. For verification, we just check. I select Britannia bread, 38 rupees, 38 rupees, no tax. Deodorant, 135, 28%. It's correct. This is one method for individual tax rates. If you want to give consolidated tax rate or GST, create one more column here. Once you create it, you just hide it. I just close everything here. Note down the individual tax amount 89. Okay. Then I just remove. For getting GST rate, index, go to the sheet, freeze, comma, match, bracket open, C12, reference, A2 to A21, freeze, comma, 0 for exact match, bracket close, enter. Just copy, then give formula, percentage. For getting consolidated amount, you just type sum reference of F12 multiply with GST rate, comma F13 multiply with GST rate, comma so we are not getting properly, so we have to use round. Just give this reference so that it will come. So this is totally match 89 89. If you like this video, please comment it, share it. Please do subscribe for upcoming videos. Thank you.